siya kasi that was one of the major issues sa audit ng RI. Kaya within 2 or 3 days ni-release namin. Every time kasi na nagre-release, talagang tumataas ang traffic. Nakukuha nyo? And that's actually the role of the team. Na kailangan, hindi tayo maghihintay na pumunta sila sa website. We have to send muna, then we expect na, so hopefully some of them will click it. Alright? But right now, because of the efforts of the operations through GovEfren, hopefully we'll have better stats later on. Kasi from 900 na presidents, we'll be moving on to monitoring 18,000 and hopefully 20,000 plus in the coming months. Alright, so kung mapapansin nyo rin, marami sa kanila ay using mobile devices. And that's the reason why the system has to be flexible. Dapat kahit anong gamitin mo, whether computer yan or cellphone yan, dapat adaptable yung yung view. Nagbabago siya. Alright, and the best time, apparently marami ang Rotarians na nagbubukas sa Wednesday. Best date and best time. So meron ganung mga statistics, no? There you go. Ito naman, ito yung sinasabi ko.
Hashtag.
29,000. Diba? Na from 9,000 to 29,000. Ngayon, 55,000. Bakit? This 55,200. Ito yung sinasabi namin na dati kasi isang sasabihin, oh, available na yung March, available na yung April. Yun lang.